Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be reviewing this power bank from VRURC. Don't even know how to pronounce that, if it's even a word, so we're just going to skip over that. But this is a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank that supports fast charging. I believe both for the power bank itself and definitely for your other devices. It's got a few different connections here. We have micro USB for charging. We have USB-C for charging and output, and we have a lightning for charging as well. So if you're using this with your iOS devices, you can just flip your cable around. You can use these down here to charge your iPhone or your iPad. Flip it around and you can charge your power bank with the same cable. So if you are on the go, you don't have to carry a bunch of cables around. We have three different outputs here, fast charge, all that kind of stuff. USB-C also fast charges. It will charge my Galaxy Fold 3 in about an hour and 20 minutes. From pretty much like 5–10%. So definitely fast charging, it definitely supports that. We have a button right here that turns it on. It will auto detect if something's plugged in, but if it's a low power device, you may need to press the button to wake it up. And then right here we have your display. It doesn't actually look like that in person, it's just kind of flickering on the camera, but shows your battery percentage, and it will also show your battery percentage as this charges as well. It did come with a little loop, so you can carry it around, but it was kind of hard to put on, so I just left it off. And it did come with a little carrying bag as well, a nice little mesh bag to keep it in. So that is a nice little bonus there. Available on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description below. It's pretty cheap for a good fast charging 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. So link down below in the description to where you can pick one up. This is Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.